Imagine waking up one day and realizing every dollar you invested in crypto vanished overnight. That's not a horror story. It's a real outcome for people who jumped in without knowing what not to do. Many beginners believe crypto is a guaranteed path to wealth, but that belief can destroy portfolios faster than any market dip. The truth is, the biggest mistakes in crypto aren't about strategy, they're about psychology. You don't need to be a genius to invest, but you also can't afford to be careless. Crypto isn't a casino, and treating it like one is the fastest way to lose everything. Right now, thousands of new investors are buying coins they don't understand, chasing profits they haven't earned. They think they're early, but they're already late, reacting instead of thinking ahead. This video is not about becoming an overnight millionaire. It's about avoiding the traps that ruin beginners. Every mistake we cover today is something real people learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Let's start with the biggest mistake of them all: investing because someone told you to. People listen to influencers, friends, random strangers online, and they never do their own research. When you invest blindly, you hand your financial future to someone whose only responsibility is entertaining you. That's not investing, that's following, and followers get wrecked when the market turns. Crypto moves fast, but that doesn't mean you should make fast decisions. Slow thinking in a fast market is how you survive. Imagine handing your money to a total stranger and hoping they'll make you rich. That's what you're doing when you follow hype instead of facts. The second mistake is investing money you can't afford to lose, and it's a painful lesson every beginner learns too late. Crypto is volatile, and if you need the money soon, the market will punish you. People put in rent money, student loans, or emergency cash and expect it to double. But crypto doesn't care about your bills or your deadlines. Smart investors always use only what they can lose without losing sleep. If you're up all night checking charts, you didn't follow that rule. Then there's the mistake of thinking you're late, so you have to make up for lost time. So you invest big, fast, and emotionally, the perfect recipe for regret. In crypto, patience always beats panic. Even if you're not early, you can still win by being smart. Another huge mistake is ignoring security. Many beginners leave their coins on exchanges like they're safe banks, but exchanges get hacked, frozen, or shut down without warning. Not owning your keys means not owning your crypto. If your wallet depends on someone else, you don't control anything. Too many investors buy coins and never bother to learn about wallets, backups, or seed phrases. But one lost phone, one hacked email, and everything is gone forever. Another common mistake is going all in on a single coin because it feels right or someone swore it was the next Bitcoin. But feelings aren't strategies, and predictions are just guesses with confidence. Smart investors diversify, not because they're unsure, but because they're not reckless. A single point of failure is not a strategy, it's a gamble. Some beginners think they found a secret shortcut and pile into meme coins or hype tokens. But just because something goes viral doesn't mean it has value. Most meme coins die when the attention dies, and attention always dies. Next, let's talk about FOMO, the fear of missing out. It's the emotional trap that destroys more portfolios than market crashes. You see a coin pumping and you can't stand being left behind, so you jump in at the top right before it drops. FOMO doesn't tell you the truth. It only tells you what your brain wants to believe. And by the time you listen to it, it's already too late. The opposite mistake is panic selling every time the price dips. Beginners think they're protecting themselves, but really they're locking in loss. Volatility is not danger, it's normal. You only lose when you sell in fear. Some beginners think they'll wait for the perfect moment, but that moment doesn't exist. Timing the market perfectly isn't a strategy, it's a fantasy. Experienced investors use a plan. Beginners use hope. Another mistake is treating crypto like a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, people made millions, but they also took huge risks, and you never hear about the thousands who went broke. If you're trying to get rich in a week, the market will eat you alive. Crypto rewards discipline, not desperation. There's also the trap of ignoring fundamentals. People buy a coin because the logo is cool or the name sounds fun. They never ask what the project does. You should know what you're buying, why you're buying it, and when you'll sell it. If not, you're just hoping the market treats you kindly. Never ignore the white paper, the founders, or the roadmap. Even hype has an expiration date. Blockchain doesn't. Another beginner mistake is staying in echo chambers. People only follow Twitter voices who say what they already believe. That leads to overconfidence, and overconfidence leads to loss. If you only hear yes, you'll never see danger coming. Smart investors listen to disagreement. Then we have the dangerous belief that crypto is too big to fail. But everything in crypto can fail. Coins, projects, exchanges, entire ecosystems. History in crypto is short, but it's already full of collapses. Think you're safe. Ask investors who trusted Luna or FTX. Beginners also forget taxes and regulations. They make profits and don't realize governments want a piece. Then tax season hits and everything falls apart. Plan ahead or get crushed later. It's that simple. Another critical mistake is not tracking your portfolio. People buy coins, forget the prices they bought at, and have no idea if they're up or down. If you can't measure your investments, you can't manage them. Crypto without tracking is chaos. Let's talk about emotional attachment. Beginners fall in love with coins like their teams or religions. They defend them even when they're failing. You must be loyal to your financial future, not your favorite coin. Coins don't love you back. Don't underestimate scammers either. Fake giveaways, pump groups, stolen identities, scammers love beginners. They know you're excited, and excitement clouds judgment. If it sounds too good to be true, it's already a trap. Always double-check, triple-check, and never trust quick promises. Another mistake, constantly checking price charts. It feels productive, but it's just stress disguised as activity. Watching price every minute turns investing into anxiety. Successful investing is mostly waiting, not staring at screens. Some beginners believe the market will always bounce back fast, but sometimes it takes months, years, or never recovers. Crypto is not guaranteed recovery. Every investment is a risk. Then there's paralysis by analysis. Doing so much research, you never invest at all. Overthinking is just another form of fear. You can't win a race if you never start running. Progress requires action. Let's talk about crypto influencers. They may sound confident, but most aren't experts. Their job is to hold attention, not hold responsibility for your money. They win if you're watching, even if you're losing. Learn from them, but never rely on them. Another common trap is crypto slang that makes beginners feel included. Terms like HODL, moon, diamond hands, they're fun, but they're not strategy. Don't confuse culture with knowledge. You need one to survive, not the other. Many beginners avoid stablecoins because they think only pumping coins matter. But stability is a weapon. Stability lets you take advantage of opportunity. Cash positions are not weakness, they're preparation. Sometimes the best move is waiting. Here's another mistake: ignoring fees. Beginners jump into trades, never realizing exchanges take cuts every time. Fees slowly drain gains in silence. Always calculate before you trade. Little things matter over time. Some people jump from coin to coin, thinking they're staying ahead, but really, they're destroying their own compounding. True gains often come from patience, not movement. Every time you switch investments, you reset your potential. Constant jumping turns growth into dust. Another massive mistake is treating bear markets like the end. But bear markets are where wealth is built, quietly, patiently. If you're only here for green candles, you're not here to win. You're here to feel good. Never invest because you're bored either. Crypto is not entertainment. Bored investing leads to reckless choices. Better to wait than to risk for no reason. Action without purpose is chaos. Chasing leverage is another fatal error. Beginners think multiplied profits mean multiplied gains, but really, they mean multiplied losses. Leverage is a shark pretending to be a dolphin. It's friendly until it bites. Too many start trading before they understand investing. Trading takes skill, patience, risk control, and discipline, not luck. If you treat trading like gambling, the house always wins. And in crypto, the house is the market. Another mistake: treating dips like disasters. Markets move in waves, and dips aren't death. They're opportunity. Are you here temporarily? Or are you here temporarily? Or are you building long-term? Beginners forget to educate themselves. They invest thousands, but won't invest time to learn. That imbalance guarantees regret. Knowledge protects money better than luck ever will. Never forget, crypto is a tool, not magic. It doesn't fix financial irresponsibility. It doesn't erase bad habits. If you can't manage money now, crypto won't change that. It will just amplify your mistakes. So here's the truth. The biggest thing you must not do is invest without self-awareness. You must know if you're being emotional, rushed, overwhelmed, greedy, or scared. Crypto doesn't reward emotions, it punishes them. Remember that every time you click buy or sell. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be better than the biggest beginner mistakes. Everyone gets tempted by hype, fear, greed, but not everyone gives into it. The winners in crypto are not the lucky ones. They're the disciplined ones. They survive while others panic. So let's sum it up. Don't follow blindly. Don't invest money you can't lose. Don't chase hype. Don't ignore research. Protect your keys, control your emotions, and think long-term. Crypto isn't easy, but it's not impossible, and avoiding the wrong moves is half the battle. If you're here to get rich quick, you're likely to quit quick. But if you're here to learn, grow, and survive, the future is full of opportunity. The market doesn't owe anyone a profit, but it rewards those who respect it. So before your next investment, ask yourself, am I following hype or following a plan? Am I reacting or thinking? Am I gambling or investing? That's how beginners become real investors, one smart decision at a time. If you learned something today, that means you're already ahead of most people starting their crypto journey. Most never stop to ask what not to do, and they pay for that silence later. You're here now, and that means you're building wisely, not blindly. And that's how you win in the long run. Thanks for watching, and remember, crypto doesn't reward speed, it rewards strategy. Stay curious, stay cautious, and invest like the future depends on it, because someday it will.